We are hoping for some nice weather on Valentine's Day. We have a few days before we get there, though. Let's check in with Chief Meteorologist Bobby Deskins with a weather impact alert for a possible foggy morning for us.
Yeah, I think we're going to get a couple of good foggy mornings here. And normally we would issue a weather impact alert for that. But in this case, there are some areas, especially I want to watch, like Bartow up in the Starkey Ranch area, even Wesley Chapel. If you've seen some smoke from wildfires lately, the odds are just about everybody's going to see some fog the next couple of mornings. But the areas that have had wildfire smoke is going to mean thicker fog. All right, so we're going Thursday and Friday mornings, 2 a.m. to 10 a.m. The reason why we do this is because it affects the morning commute. It's going to slow things down a little bit. And it's fog. It's dense. And we'll probably get dense fog advisories issued by the Weather Service. This is tonight at around 3 in the morning. All right, technically Thursday morning. But look how widespread it is. Did you notice the extra humidity out there today? That's moisture in the atmosphere. The dew points are going to be right where our lows are tonight. So the temperature gets right down to the dew point. That makes 100% humidity. That's fog. So that's what we'll have. And then, in fact, we'll go out to about 7 in the morning here, and you can see all these areas a half a mile or less for visibility. So that's pretty thick. And then it actually lingers because we have lighter winds. So that's 11 o'clock tomorrow morning. It is breaking up, but not everywhere. I mean, by 11 a.m., I think 11:30 to 12 o'clock we'll get rid of all of it. And then it comes back even sooner tomorrow night. This is around 9 in the evening, right, on Thursday night and Friday. And then obviously we'll wake up Friday morning with some fog. But notice it's starting to clear. So 7 a.m. Friday morning, we do have a weather impact alert, but it's going to be better, I think, than Thursday. And it's going to be mainly Tampa southward at that point. All right, a little bit on Saturday. I don't think as much at this point. We'll keep an eye on it for you. But here we go. This is the cloud cover that we had earlier. It's backing away. Look at the back of it right there. So beautiful sunset coming up. We are watching a few clouds over the Gulf and this frontal boundary. This will come through late tonight and tomorrow morning. Most of this rain will fall apart before it gets here. There's a 20% chance for a shower, and even that's kind of high. Okay, so the evening tonight is dry. We're falling down through the 60s. We will get that fog, especially just after midnight, okay? And then tomorrow morning, it's going to be on the thick side. Now, that 20% is for a sprinkle tomorrow morning. In fact, through about 2 in the afternoon, I can't rule out 1 or 2. Most of us won't see it, and most of us need it, but it just won't happen. There's not a lot of moisture with it, okay? Now, those are the low temperatures, the forecast for tomorrow morning, mid to upper 50s. Those are where the dew points are, and that's why the fog is there. You can see it here, that real light gray, that's the fog. Early in the morning, that's 7 a.m., and then you'll notice 9 a.m. it starts to clear out. I wanted to show you a couple patches of green falling through the area, but they're quick. They go by real quick. That's that small chance for some rain, okay? So tomorrow, foggy start, 50s in the morning, mid-70s with quite a bit of sunshine. I was going to say a mix of sun and clouds, but I think it's more sun than anything else. Beautiful day. Light winds means west winds at 5 to 10 knots for boaters. Light chop on the bay. Water 60. That'll creep up a little bit, but that's going to take a little while before it really starts to come up. Now, next rain chance, and this is the good one. It's actually after about 5 or 6 o'clock on Sunday evening. In fact, I think the best chance is around 10 p.m., 11 p.m. Sunday, and Monday before the sun comes up. That's Sunday at 9 a.m. We're still relatively dry. Sunday evening, better chance. That's 4 or 5 o'clock, but that's 10, 11 o'clock, and that's our best chance. And then Monday morning at 6 in the morning, it's almost all gone. Okay, so need the rain, we'll get it. At this point, the timing looks good. Looks like it will be overnight, Sunday night into Monday. The red you see there, those are our weather impact alerts for the fog, just to give you a heads up of that inconvenient weather. Valentine's Day looks great, upper 70s to near 80 for Tampa. When you see those high numbers there, that means areas inland will be in the low 80s.